Hi, and welcome to Skillcenter, episode 3, telling you how to use an elliptical. Many people learn to use elliptical for many reasons: to look better, become a better person, or just become stronger. Enjoy the video.
Yo, pussy! That's what you get for not even owning the elliptical.
I can't watch any of this. Oh, what is this?
Hi, I'm Phill Quick with Phill Quick's Ellipticals. Now, do you feel like a disgusting puke who even a mother could not love? Well, you need one of these fine machines as I have before me. I used to feel like the before photos on before and afters. No longer with Phill Quick's Elliptical. Now, for the first 100 callers into our show, they will get a free personal training with myself.
Oh man, I gotta call this. Yeah, I'd like to purchase the Phil's ellipticals. Oh, I'm the 100th caller? Great.
Let's go! Time for a workout, boy!
Who are you?
I'm your personal trainer. Let's go! Get on that elliptical. Get up there.
You're the elliptical guy?
Hell yeah, I am. Get on the elliptical. We got fat to burn.
It's 3:30 in the morning.
Like hell, it's 3:30. It's whatever time I say it is. You are not working. You are not sleeping. You are getting on that elliptical, and you are going to burn fat until you are your best self.
Okay, I'll get up.
Let's go! Anytime now, sunshine, get on that machine. Get up there. Have you ever seen a machine as beautiful as this? Have you? Answer me.
No, I haven't.
Have you ever seen one? It is beautiful. You will learn this machine inside and out by the time you are done with your workout. Now get up on there. That is not how you mount such a machine. Your back is not straight. Your back should be straight enough to support a 4-person family. What the hell do you think you're doing? What are you doing? Why did you stop? Keep on going. What are you doing? Your back is not straight, goddammit.
Sorry.
Both hands on the grips. Faster. Let's go. You have got to outrun the communist scum. You will not fall back on them. You will run faster than any man ever has.
I'm going.
Are you going to fall to the communists?
No.
Are you going to be a real American man?
Yeah.
Well, goddamn it, son. Show it. Get that burn going. Let's go. Come on. Let's keep that burn up, son.
Can we be done? It's been 5 hours.
5? You think 5 hours is a long time? Jesus Christ. I had to run from the VC for a whole goddamn day. And you want to be done after 5 little hours? You are not eating today. You will ingest protein shakes as they are given to you. You are not eating. You are working. You are going to keep that burn up until you have burned every single cell of fat from your body. Jesus Christ, keep that burn up. Let's go. Faster. Faster. Come on.
Okay, I was thinking we could be like done.
Done? What the hell do you mean done? We are not even beginning today. We are going on mountain mode. We're going up Baldy today, boy. Let's go. Come on, pick up the pace. We have places to be and fat to purge. You think this is hard? We scaled hills like this in Vietnam daily. Have you ever ran up to a position while being fired at by a machine gun? I don't think you have.
I haven't.
I have. Do you know what that's like?
No, I don't know.
This is nothing compared to it. You're gonna do this all goddamn day. Now let's go.
What?
Go, go. Keep that burn up. Let's go. Come on now. Let's go. Get a move on. Go. Go. Come on. Go. Keep moving. Burn
I'm tired
that.
of your crap. I'm tired of your
What do I?
your crap.
What the hell are you doing, son? What the hell?
Tired of your crap.
Jesus Christ, get off me. Get off me. Stop, stop, stop.
What?
Jesus Christ, Private. In all my years, I have never seen a soldier with as good ambition as you. You have passed my course with flying colors.